Hollywood shows us a distant sci-fi future complete with space travel, robot butlers, and flying cars. But we see the future a little differently. Imagine the possibilities. Helping to save lives, connecting a life flight to doctors on the helipad, monitoring IV pumps, keeping a patient alive, helping to keep loved ones safe, facial recognition at schools alerting when unknown faces enter the campus, IP cameras on the subway finding lost children, providing next-level customer service, creating a personalized shopping experience, finding the perfect wedding dress, even when it's 5,000 miles away. All of these experiences rely on connecting humans to technology. These connections require more than just newer hardware. They require a smarter network, a network that can be the nervous system of an autonomous enterprise, capable of learning, self-correcting, and evolving to deliver next-generation human experiences. That's why we created Extreme Elements, customizable building blocks of a secure, self-driving, and self-healing autonomous network. Paired with a service team that's unmatched in the industry, Extreme Elements helps you create enhanced human experiences so you can focus on what really matters: your patients, students, and customers. Amazing things are possible with the right combination of elements. To learn more about Extreme Elements, visit us at extremenetworks.com. Real tech, really human.